Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Alana. Today I am making a t-shirt for Marwa, whether or not he's gonna get it or I'm gonna keep it as a souvenir. So guys, one time we was in a Q&A chat and someone asked him a question and he said whatever will be, and then someone was mentioning you should put it on a t-shirt, and then he said go ahead, put it on a t-shirt, bro. You guys go ahead, put it on a t-shirt. So what did my creative mind did? I'm like, I could totally do this because I have a Cricut Maker, I have a heat press machine, and I have heat transfer vinyl that you need to make a t-shirt, and I have t-shirts. So guys, here I am in my Cricut design space. I did my design on Canva and I uploaded into Design Space. Whenever you're doing a design in Design Space, you have to mirror the image. So basically you're flipping the image to the negative side. So I upload everything there, and now I have to select. I'm telling the machine exactly what I want to do. So I'm doing it on the computer, and then I'm going to transfer it over to my Cricut Maker so it will cut out exactly what I tell it to do. So here I am. I'm just basically selecting heat transfer vinyl, and it's a iron-on, meaning it's a hot press. So, and it's telling me, okay, I finished that process. It's telling me go to the Cricut Maker and press that button that you see that little finger is on. Basically, that's the button that it wanted me to press on my Cricut Maker. So now I am gonna go over to my Cricut Maker, and as you could see, the button is blinking there. So the computer and the machine is basically talking. So I'm gonna press that. I'm gonna upload my vinyl on a mat into the machine, and then I'm gonna press that blinking button. So it's loaded. Let's go press that blinking button. Press that button. It basically intake the mat with my vinyl. It's gonna measure to make sure everything is okay, and then it's basically blinking to tell me go ahead and start. Everything is good to go. And now the design that I upload on a computer is gonna cut out on this vinyl mat, which it said whatever will be, and Marwa in the middle of the African map. Guys, I was so happy when he said, bro, put it on a t-shirt, because I have everything. I just print t-shirt and stuff like that, so it was like, yes, right up my alley of things to do. So it was a no-brainer for me to do something like this. So I was pretty excited that he actually said that. So the machine is cutting. So here we go. Let's see how this turned out, guys. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and a like and comment and share this video. Maybe someone could tag Marwa so he could see, hey, you inspire people all around the world. I am basically coming from Connecticut, USA. So here the print is already cut out. The design is cut out. So now we're gonna go to the next step. You probably can't see the designers yet because it's a blue and you really can't see it. So I'm going to the next step. I'm using this tools. It's a weeding tools. Basically, I'm removing the negative parts, the parts that I don't want, and I'm keeping the design. So here we go. So I'm taking my time because I don't want to go too fast, because certain little letters, sometimes if you go too fast, you could kind of ruin it. So I'm just taking my time and removing the parts that I don't want. Guys, you guys should give me ideas of what you think I should do next, or Marwa, if you see this, maybe you could give your opinion also. I would gladly appreciate it. So I'm removing all of those little negative area, because you got to remove it, because if you don't, when you press it on the shirt, that's exactly how it would look. So I'm removing all of those. And here we go. As you can see, everything is on the opposite side, because that's the way you're supposed to do it. So you're doing everything in an opposite way, basically. So let's remove this off the mat, and you're gonna see exactly how it looks now, guys. Yep, and now you can read it correctly. Whatever will be Marwa. There. So basically I created transfer to press on the t-shirt. This is the heat press machine. It's A to Z, and I already added startup. So that's the temperature of the heat. Basically the top of it's like an iron, if you may say. So the bottom is the pad. It's not really hot, it's cool, but the top of it's very hot. So here I have a t-shirt. I'm gonna press it to take out any moisture out of the shirt and to keep it nice and smooth. So I'm getting that shirt nicely pressed up, taking out the wrinkle and any moisture out of it. And now I'm basically folding the shirt to create a center line, so when I lined up my design, it will be directly in the center. So as you can see, I get that center line on the t-shirt. Now I'm gonna take my design and I'm gonna create a center line also with the word. I'm gonna fold it and create a center line with the words. So then I'm gonna take the center line on my transfer and center line on the t-shirt, and I'm gonna line it up. And I'm gonna use 4 fingers from the collar of the t-shirt from the top, and then I'm gonna lay each line. I'm gonna lay my design. I'm gonna line up those center line together. I'm making sure, usually you could use a ruler or a tape and it's like 4 inches away from the neck, but you know, I've been doing it so much that I pretty much know what to do. So here it is, nicely laid out, even centered on the t-shirt, and I'm gonna press it for about 10 seconds. Here we go, guys. We're almost there to the end. And my design has transferred onto the t-shirt. Look at it, guys. So I'm basically doing this with one hand, and holding the camera. So here we go, we're removing all of that. Boom, design is transferred, and there we have a t-shirt. So thanks for watching, guys.